Welcome to my YouTube channel. On this video, I am going to show you how you can earn money and make money from Hamster Kombat. It is very simple. So now let's proceed. First of all, the first step you need to take is to head over to your Telegram. Make sure that you have Hamster Kombat on your Telegram app, like you must have registered and started mining. Now on the Telegram app, head over to the Hamster Kombat booth. Head over to the Hamster Kombat booth. Okay. Head over to the Hamster Kombat booth. Then click play in one click. Now we are on the Hamster Kombat platform. The first step is to log in first, which we've already done. Now the second step is to start mining. Like if you're just joining Hamster Kombat for the first time, it is important that you mine your coins, your tokens, grow them to an extent before you can withdraw. For example, Hamster Combat decide what you earn through your profit per hour. Is it at the top of the platform. Now, before you can make money from Hamster Combat and withdraw, you have to increase your profit per hour to some extent. For example, if you do not have up to 100,000 profit per hour, you cannot earn any reasonable amount from Hamster Combat. So what you have to do first in order to earn money from Hamster Combat is to gather as much coins as possible. For example, I have up to 5 million coins, and I did that by not just mining. I also claim daily rewards here. I claim daily rewards every day, like every single day. I don't miss out. Then I also compete on the daily combo. This daily combo, I have to get the right cards and place them on the right box in order to get 5 million coins. So that is how it works. Then I also participate in daily cipher. This daily cipher, you have to get the right words for each day. It is very important. So when you crack the right word, you get up to 1 million Hamster Combat coins. That is how it works. Then you just head over back to the normal exchange. Then after gathering a lot of coins, what you now have to do is to grow your profit per hour. It is very important because in order to withdraw from Hamster Combat, like in order to gain a reasonable amount of tokens, you have to increase your profit per hour. So what you will now have to do is to use the coins that you have made to increase your profit per hour. You can do this by heading over to the daily combo, or you head over to mine at the bottom of this platform. So just click mine here. Mine. It has an axe symbol. Now on the mine section, you have to unlock as much cards as possible. Now the more you unlock cards, the more your profit per hour increases, which gives you the chance of earning more. So this is what you're going to do here. On the mine section, they have special, web3, legal, markets, and PRO and team. So let's start with PRO and team first. Now I have to increase my profit per hour in order to earn. So this is what I am going to do. I have to buy more profit per hour. For example, CEO card has 100 profit per hour, and in order to purchase 100 profit per hour, I have to have at least 1100 coins on me in order to purchase it. So I have more than that. What I will just have to do is to click on it, then click go ahead, then I have purchased it. So that is how you have to do. You have to purchase as much cards as possible. Then in order to get higher profit per hour, you just head over to special, then click new cards. Now new cards on special has huge profit per hour. Like for this one here, as you can see, it has a 5,000 profit per hour, but you will have to dish out 1 million Hamster Kombat coins. So that is how it works. So this other side has 1,200 profit per hour, but you will have to dish out 10,000 Hamster Kombat coins. So this is what you're going to be doing in order to increase your profit per hour and all that. So this one here, 91 profit per hour, but you have to dish out 120,000 coins. So that is how it works. So you just head back after purchasing uh, as much profit per hour. Now make sure that you have up to at least 100,000 profit per hour, because that is how you can earn from Hamster Combat. At least 100,000 profit per hour. Make sure you get this. Now after getting enough profit per hour on your Hamster Combat, also make sure that you have some reasonable amount of tokens still left on Hamster Combat. Like I have 200,000 profit per hour, and I also have 5 million, over 5 million coins on Hamster Combat. So you just have to keep them in case. You understand? The coins don't matter most, but you just have to still keep it there. Then as you also increase your profit per hour. Now let me show you how you can, after earning as much profit per hour and as much coin as possible, let me show you how you can withdraw these tokens. So this is what you're going to do. You have to click uh, the in section, then sorry, you have to click the airdrop, because it is the airdrop that you're withdrawing. So just click the airdrop. Now after clicking the airdrop, they will ask you to connect your wallet. Now you have to connect your wallet, because that is how you can be able to withdraw what you have been mining since from Hamster Combat. So you have to connect your Ton wallet in order to withdraw. So they see that this thing is on its way. Tags will appear below. Complete them to participate on the airdrop. Now the most important thing is to impute your airdrop, because after the listing date is out, your money, your tokens will be dished out to you as soon as possible. So in order to connect your wallet, you just have to click connect your wallet. For me, I have already connected mine. You have to connect yours. It is important. So just click the blue box in order to connect your Ton wallet. Remember, it is your Ton wallet that you have to connect, no other tokens. So just Ton wallet. As you can see, my wallet address is already there. So when you click that blue box, you'll be redirected on how you can connect your wallet. Remember to download either Ton Keeper or my Ton wallet, or even Ton Hub from your Play Store in order to get a Ton wallet address. So after doing that, you can now connect your Hamster Combat. You can now connect your Hamster Combat to your Ton wallet. Now after connecting it, you will now be eligible for withdrawal. Now this is how you're going to withdraw your tokens that you have been mining since. After connecting your wallet, you will now have to wait for the listing date. Like they said, listing is on its way. So after the listing date, like the listing date is when uh, your tokens will now be distributed to your wallet address. So you will have to wait for the listing date to come. After the listing date, you can now be able to withdraw all the tokens that you have been gathering on Hamster Combat to your wallet address, then to your bank account. So that is how it works. That is how you can earn from Hamster Combat and withdraw after the listing date. So this comes to the end of this video. I hope you are now cleared. But if you're not cleared, you can ask me anything on the comment section, and I'll be glad to answer you. So that is how it works. That is how you can withdraw, and that is how you can earn from Hamster Combat. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel and like this video. Do not forget to share this video also. It is very important. So thank you.